Hi, my name is Kelly Hall. This is 421 Component 3, Change Management Theory. So my change management theory of choice is Lippett's change theory. I'm going to explain how this theory relates to and will assist to implement my change project. The topic of my change project is Ebola infection concern in the ICU. Our main problem of focus for the change project is the ICU staff's misunderstanding and fear of the Ebola virus and their incompetency of proper PPE guidelines. How is this theory relevant? This theory generally focuses on me, the nurse manager, and how exactly I'm going to interact with the stakeholders during this change. It relates significantly because this theory supports my SMART goals and supports my chosen leadership style for implementing the change project here in the ICU. My chosen style of leadership is democratic. There are 7 phases or principles to Lippett's change theory, and I'm going to identify exactly how each of these principles are associated with my change project. So principle number 1 is making the plan of change known to all involved. The communication tool and the mass email that's being sent out informs 100% of the stakeholders of the upcoming changes and steps that the hospital will be taking during this time of change. The second phase is assessing stakeholder motivation. After the mass email goes out, I expect to hear back from the stakeholders regarding any concerns, which yes, may change the plan of the project, but it's needed to discover if there's going to be any resistance and to see what everyone's initial motivation level is. Principle number 3 is everyone ready for change? Myself, the stakeholders, these people are my resources. They'll be willing to implement this change in a timely manner. I need to find these things out. Speaking for myself as nurse manager, I am the one initiating this change project and I'm fully motivated. The initial mass email will also provide feedback and thoughts of the stakeholders to assess their readiness for change. Principle number 4 is the actual Ebola education and training sessions. It's game time. Everyone has a part and the plan is ready to go. It's set in stone. This stage of Lippett's change recommends having a change strategy. Mine in this change project is the empirical rational strategy. I, as a nurse manager, assume that my staff will be rational to adopt this change and follow the steps of change because it is in their self-interest and will assist them to be safe during this time. Principle number 5 is my time to shine. This is where the feedback comes in. This principle focuses on choosing a role for myself. My role will be to support my staff and ensure that things are being done safely and ensuring that staff understands what they learned and addressing any concerns to take care of any resistance that may be met. Principle number 6 is to make sure that the change becomes part of normal routine. For me, I need to make sure the rotating staff schedule is being followed by staff and that they're okay with it and they're compliant with it. I need to assure that those trained in being the observer, which are the ones watching people who go into the room, make sure they put on their PPE correctly, and the staff themselves that are entering the rooms are all donning their PPE safely and correctly as they learned in the session. I have to motivate and cheer on my staff so they know they're appreciated and participating in this major change. By training the staff, that was a key point to visually show that the change is real and that it must occur. The final principle is to evaluate and take a step back. I'll be evaluating how the staff is feeling and how the change is going, while taking a step back myself from being overbearing with watching the change process, but still making my staff aware that I am always available and that they can always come to me for any concerns and to all the stakeholders as well. Any concerns will be addressed. I'm just taking a step back. Staff's doing great. The change is going well, hopefully, and I'm still here for all the stakeholders.